Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show how to make vegetable soup street style step by step. Start by gathering onions, carrots, celery, potatoes, tomatoes, broth, and spices. Heat oil in a heavy pot over medium heat and sweat onions until translucent. Add carrots and celery, then brown lightly for depth. Stir in potatoes and tomatoes, pour in broth to cover, and simmer gently until vegetables are tender and flavors meld together. Now we focus on prep and mise en place, so the cooking flows like a street vendor's rhythm. Chop onions, carrots, celery, potatoes, and tomatoes into even pieces to ensure uniform doneness. Measure spices such as salt, pepper, and a pinch of cumin or smoked paprika for that street-style punch. Keep broth warmed and ready so you can add it quickly and maintain a steady simmer without cooling the pot down. If you're enjoying the video, please subscribe and like to support more recipes and tips. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty is a fun pick, and it keeps you comfy during long cooking sessions. I've linked the product and other deals in the description so you can check them out. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Next, we get into cooking technique to achieve that bold street flavor. Begin by sweating onions and garlic in oil over medium heat until soft, then add carrots and celery to brown slightly for caramelized notes. Toss in potatoes and tomatoes, then deglaze with a splash of broth. Add remaining broth, bring to a gentle simmer, and cook until vegetables are tender and the soup has a cohesive, well-rounded taste that sings.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.